What's going on? It's Ed here from JM Honda of Miami, and we just got a 2022 Honda Africa Twin Sport. These are the new European colors. This motorcycle is a manual transmission, but most importantly, check it out. This is how it comes in a box from the factory. It has to get assembled. Once it's assembled, it will get a test ride, and I will take you guys along with me. But stay tuned, we're gonna assemble the bike. I'm gonna do a time-lapse video, and I hope you guys like it. So, enjoy. We are out of the box. She is getting set up for assembly. Gonna put the front wheel on, the windshield, the handlebars, the rear mirrors. I'm gonna check it out. This is something really cool I'm gonna teach you guys. So when your motorcycle has these spokes in the center, this has an inner tube. All right, I love how this Africa Twin looks. The colors are really cool. All right, stay tuned. We're gonna keep assembling, ready for a time lapse.